crafted knives, supremely sharp, with a perfectly adjustable balance. Modern French design with full tang blades set in ergonomic handles. Fully personalizable, lifetime warranty. Secure your 6 professional-grade chef's knives at a fraction of retail price.
Because every meal tells a story.
And every good story starts with a knife. Ecriture's 6 perfect knives are crafted from super hard, high-carbon Japanese steel. Steel so hard that with the help of computer-aided precision sharpening, we've managed to achieve a 15-degree blade angle, making a dramatically sharper knife. These razor-sharp full-tang blades deliver superior speed, precision, and accuracy, and are hard enough to last you a lifetime. Complementing these blades, our uniquely balanced handles are the epitome of modern French design. With our patented swing tech, you can easily adjust both balance and center of gravity on these beautifully crafted knives, letting you find your sweet spot, your own chopping heaven. Moving the balance back generates power, and shifting it forwards ups the precision. Or keep the knife with balance set to neutral, just as we designed it, for all-around handling and speed. It's your setup, your collection, your choice. Ergonomically designed handles taper, guiding the hand instinctively into your ideal holding position, giving you much more control over your blade. And an antibacterial soft touch finish makes the handles super easy for anyone to grip. There's always a knife for the job in hand with Ecriture's perfect knife collection. We've curated a very strong range of 6 knives that have every job in the kitchen covered, whatever you're doing. Personalize it with your name engraved right on the blade, or make it the perfect gift in time for the holiday.
We're ready to go into production, but we need your help to make the numbers work. Back us to get an exclusive Kickstarter discount on the Ecriture Perfect Knives. Because we know you'll love them, we'll even give you a lifetime guarantee. Isn't that right, boys?
Ecriture Perfect Knife Collection. Start telling your own story.
Das SRT ist ein Universalbräter, mit dem man viele verschiedene Braten kochen kann und sollte auch in jeder Küche sein. Es gibt de facto auf der Welt kein ähnliches Produkt zu kaufen. Beim SRT bleibt einfach die konzentrierte Soße drin. Der Vergleich von normalen Bräter zum SRT, 3-mal mehr Bratensaft, das ist mehrmals nachgewiesen worden. Man braucht keinen Bratenfond mehr zu kaufen, der für 3–4 Euro sehr teuer in den Regalen steht. Ja, wenn der Braten fertig ist, kann man das SRT mit dem Braten drauf rausholen, stellt es auf den Esstisch, da brennt auch nichts an, auch an den Füßen nicht. Dank der Emaille-Beschichtung kann man den Braten auf dem Lochblech aufschneiden und den Mitessern dann präsentieren. Man sieht hier diese Lochplatte mit den speziellen Größen der Löcher und auch Platzierungen der Löcher hier in den Seiten. Dann ist hier die Auffangwanne. Hier sieht man dieses vorgeschaltete Sieb, das verhindern soll, dass eventuell Gemüsestücke vorne reinschwimmen und das Auslaufloch blockieren. Und hier haben wir unseren speziell designten Auslaufknopf, der dann auf 9 Uhr abnehmbar ist zum Reinigen. Oben die Position ist geschlossen und auf 3 Uhr kann man ganz einfach ablassen. Dann hat es hier noch die 4 Füße und eine sehr geringe Auflagefläche, die es ermöglicht, dass man das SRT auch heiß auf jeden Tisch draufstellen kann. Also Dampfgaren geht folgendermaßen. Man füllt zum Beispiel Weißwein in das SRT, bringt dann noch etwas Gemüse unten in der Auffangwanne. Dann schiebt man das Teil in den Ofen und wenn der Dampf dann aromatisiert ist, dann kann man den Lachs zum Beispiel hautseitig drauflegen und fährt mit der Temperatur runter und kann dann im aromatisierten Raum den Fisch garen. Zum Schluss haben wir einen sehr saftigen, gegarten Fisch und hat auch schon die Basis zur Soße. Unter anderem Hackbraten, Pute, Ente, Gans, Schweinekrustenbraten, Chicken Wings, Spare Ribs. Das SRT ist auch sehr einfach zum Reinigen. Ich habe das schon x-fach gemacht. Man kann ja vorne den Drehknopf auf 9 Uhr drehen Und dann kann man abziehen. Das Lochblech hat auch an der Seite von der Spülmaschine Platz. Und die Auffangwanne dann einfach unten schräg reinlegen. Platztechnisch überhaupt kein Problem und wird jedes Mal bombig sauber. Es sieht zwar einfach aus, aber es ist es nicht. Dann dachte ich mir, okay, jetzt mache ich selber was, habe ein bisschen was gezeichnet, habe dann so ein Pappteil angefertigt. Wir mussten testen, braten, testen, umwerken, testen, braten. Wir haben mindestens 20 Prototypen versenkt.
Change the way you cook forever with Tidy Board. Tidy Board makes meal prep easy. It's a cutting board that helps strain, sort, and prep your food with speed and efficiency. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and limited prep space. Tidy Board keeps you organized and your kitchen clean, bringing joy and ease back into cooking. It's simple. Clean it, cut it, store it. The slot in the end holds the containers and strainers that help speed up your clean and prep. Tidy Board won't tip over. The board is engineered to act as a lever. In fact, even though Tidy Board only weighs 4 pounds, it can hold up to 9 pounds off the counter. That means it can hold this, even this. Hang Tidy Board in different positions to optimize your flow. Hang it off your sink to strain pasta or soak berries. Hang it off your counter to open up your working space. Or hang it towards you so you can easily scrape scraps into the catch and organize your ingredients. The containers help you easily sort your prepped items, while the strainers make cleaning and straining quick and efficient. The catch makes a great place to soak and clean your fruits, discard waste, and keep your prep area clean. The eco-friendly bamboo cutting board keeps your knives sharp and is naturally antibacterial. The containers feature volumetric measuring marks and come with snap-on lids with vents, making them perfect for your meal prep. They're made of BPA-free food-grade silicone and are microwave-friendly. Best of all, the containers and strainers are fully collapsible, saving precious storage space. Whether you're a busy mom, a health enthusiast, or just someone who wants to simplify and streamline their meal prep, Tidy Board will help you save time, save worry, and save space. Back our campaign now and bring the joy of cooking back into your home.
So the idea of the roundie actually started when I worked in a bakery and we were producing a ton of rolls a day. And I had to roll them one by one with my hands and they just never turned out right and it just took forever to do. And so I thought, there has to be a better way to do this. So I ended up actually taping 4 containers together and using it to round the dough balls. It worked really good because it cut the time in half, but it did have a lot of waste and you did have to round it a little bit before you put it in and rounded it off. So I started working with a designer and we were trying to come up with the plan to make the best roll but with the least amount of waste. So we went through many prototypes with the cardboard and tape design and then the 3D print models. The best design that we found was this hexagonal shape, and it's because of the 6 points of contact with the dough, and the slanted edges actually cause the dough to fold, and it makes it so you don't have to shape it before you put it into the roundie. Alright, and you'll portion out your dough to 2 ounces. It has to be kind of a stickier dough, so you want to make sure to keep your dough covered during your portioning out part, so that way it doesn't get too dry. And you'll put it in the triangle pattern. And then you'll go counterclockwise. Just do about that many turns, and there you go. You got your perfect dough balls. So that's the roundie. Your pledges will be used for the first manufacturing of the roundie. And thank you so much for watching.
Genesis is a patented smokeless stove that is able to generate electricity while cooking a meal. The power this generates powers this USB port.
And you can charge your phone, your headlamp,
Your mini fridge, or your super tiny vacuum to clean up the mess you made at the studio you're camping at. It's small enough to fit into a backpack and is as light as, for reference, it's slightly bigger than this, about the same size as this, and slightly smaller than this. Not only is this a lifesaver while camping, but this was produced to fix problems across the globe. Did you know we still have 1.1 billion people that lack access to electricity, and even worst case scenario, they live off the grid? Every year, 4.3 million people die from smoke pollution across the globe, and this is equivalent to the population size of Kentucky. There are mothers still cooking over open flames across developing countries, and these are the people that are most susceptible to this problem. Unfortunately, my grandmother was one of them. And I set out to the US with one goal: to find a solution to this problem. And so we created this, Genesis. You supporting our cause helps support families across the globe that struggle constantly with these problems. There is a solution. We invite you to join us now and making this a reality.